me dead now. I cannot live amongst no Eden. As far as I can see, up your friend enemy them. Surely do that doing. Dirty people. Good morning. On a feeling. On a feeling it. I on a feeling it. Lord. It's too early for me to say dirty nigga apart from a fender. Outside me there. Right at the girl them outside. I'm gonna feel like we are gonna feel hurt. And a vex. In nurse. Wicked Shani. My mom no want to see you. Done me done it there, you know. Done me done it, you know. I wanna feel like my baby mother want me. There, sir. That no. I have to come tune on and tell her good morning and give her a warning. I know, say, Sanja's son. Out and about with my crystal ball. And I go into the this and the that and the that and the this. And I say, how you feeling? You feel good? This is not this one. I was born a rebel. I don't follow your rules because I'm lawless. They making big moves regardless. I. Born a rebel. I. Not of mercy. What I go on with? I want him to come on to tell you now. Now care the kind of story where people come with. Don't make nobody moving in your yard. Raz attack. Done me done it in a landa. What you mean? Surviving Fuck Pan series, don't worry, it soon come out. Remember me I tell you say people. You see a yard? Whether your yard a board, whether your yard a two little paper, whether a cardboard you sleep on, remember your yard. Whether you pay mortgage, whether you pay rent, whether you live in a basement, whether you live in a mansion, just remember, say, year one. And you see that little place there, that little space there where you are pay bills for. You can't move in anybody in this place or this space. Now care how you hear some people say them a go through it. God not seen you. Remember, say you have to think about yourself and your peace and your comfort and your mindset and your morality and your everything, your dignity, your pride, everything. Because suppose you're nasty and you don't like bed. Once you let in somebody in your place, you have to go start bed. You have to go start act clean. You have to go start act like say, yes, all of that. When you know say, you rank and you don't like bed. You know say he's a person where I don't go up on weekend alone your bed and you soap up 7 times. You understand? Suppose you have your dirty plate them where you wash, where you use Sunday. and a Sunday again before you wash plate again. You have to start wash plate regularly now. You understand? Because everybody like you until they don't get what they want. Or everybody love you until you say the word no. I can't at the moment. Right? Everybody like you until they don't get what they want. Or you don't agree with something that them do. I just say the nasty part. Suppose you're a neat freak. Right? Suppose you're a neat freak and you're so neat. Like, when your sheet changed yesterday, you want to change it again. The map supposed to be around one corner, around the side. You say, what me do? You see the map. You're going to start to have problem. Because you're used to your map, round a map area. You're used to your broom, round a broom area. You're used to your spoon them stay a certain way in the dish drainer. You're used to your laundry them stay a certain way. So a problem you're going to have with people. Because remember your space these people coming in. Remember nobody will treat you like how you treat yourself. Nobody. Them not when I say that me mean like how you treat your place. Hey. You like my background? Yeah. I read it me again this morning. You notice me have me something them, my pyramid them and me something them. I reading. So link me for your reading right now. You understand? So me make sure I have on the clothes to wear there and the something them with it. I reading. So anybody want a reading right now, come in by now. Who be around the place, you know, so you don't know. Link me. Spiritual reader. Don't know. You know what I mean? Link me for your reading. I can see in the future and tell you what I go on. You understand? Tell you who fully salt. But I feel like a free reading me again. Money me a deal, you know. I feel like I'm going to come get my blessedness. So I'm moving the blood clot. When I feel like I'm going to come get my reading just so. Money me a deal it. I'm doing no. Not no free boy. I'm doing no. Like when I feel like I just saw it, I can go and I get it. So the Lord make me reading. Just link me offline for your reading. Or rather ask me if I meet LiQWYD and do it. No. I don't meet LiQWYD and do it. Shelly asked if she'll get fucked pan again. Shelly, I'll give you a little tattoo. You know that get fucked pan. Fuck pan was made for you. Fuck pan was made for you. You can't stop get fuck pan. I just saw life set. Anyway, Raz just asked about do it. Big up Queenie. Queenie, we love you. And you done to say, we love you already, Queenie. We done love you already, but me see your husband run out over Canada one day. Zin? Me see your husband run out over Canada one day and me I say, John was star. When me doing a life to deserve this? Queenie, when your husband run out on the stage, Alkaline up on the show, come remember the biggest show this time career ever go on, you know. Remember the biggest show this time career him go on. When I say do it run out, do it in a slow motion. Do it in a slow motion. Jada Kingdom, Alkaline. Ah, Jesus step on the show. And when me look and see, when name, one connection or one other connection. Me I say, John, what this? Me don't deserve this. Me don't deserve this. Queenie, are you a star? You're a big star, Queenie. You're a big star. And you don't know, when the truth come out, you don't know them I like it. And you will like Queenie. We like say when you run out and say one man to you good that I do it. But him can't say one man to him good that I do it. Because when he run out and I say one man to him good that I do, I say, he must sing about himself. That's how it will go. And I saw it for go. Oh, him fear sing say one man to him good that I do it. And I him I do it. You know that. Queen here, you will love you. God go with you do it. Anyway, I'm going to go back to this now. God go with them. Remember now, we are talking about your place where you live. Alright? You see where you live? I'm not stop telling you. Don't make anybody come to your place. Don't make anybody come to your home. Your home. Someone want to friendly. Somehow want to friendly as you buy a little piece of furniture, you want to buy anything new. You don't want everybody come out in the yard, come look on it. You not idiot. Sometimes some people come in your yard and take your old decor and go turn in a for them yard. You have your idea, them and people come and just take your idea and go with it. And everybody's supposed to come in your bedroom. Your bedroom is a place where everybody for come in your bedroom or your bedroom this. Your bedroom. I not talk about who have one room, because you know say one room is a place where have everything in it. Unwanted spirit of your yard no good. Because sometimes if you're in your yard, you just feel like you're just ignorant and just feel like you're tormented. So sometimes some people come in your yard with some unwanted spirit and left it in your yard. Because remember, say the spirit is real, you know. The spirit is real. And some people have some dirty spirit that walk with them spirit not pure. You hear me say? Them spirit not pure. Classy Diamond, good morning. So if you're my baby mother, just go and hold tight. You don't know even though I left you, you're still good same way. Remember, you know, I tell you now. Alright, you see incense and a obia. Incense is something that calm you. Remember, I got Israel last year. I buy some incense, some frankincense and myrrh. With what's up the name? With one lamp where them give me the Israel and say Jesus what there. Them say Jesus use the incense. Them say Jesus use the incense and me are telling me carry to me yard and start burn it. As me start burn it, me just drop asleep so the way I'm comfortable. As me start burn it so, cause it have a nice smell. It have a nice smell and it does. You know? It come like it does free you. As me have burn the incense so, gone, drop asleep. Me have one never drop say, me have somebody that have breed for me. But I remember say, me take tie off. Can't get no more pitney. I just realize say, okay. Alright, one of the pitney part. Can't get no more pitney. But me I tell you no paper, incense is good for burn. And everything on you, and everything I will be. You have to cut and clear and free up your spirit in your part. You see me? You have to cut and clear. And free up your mind and free up your spirit and free up everything. I tell you now. Nah, man. I'm not afraid to. I'm not jump asleep. Because I say it go. See your next thing there. Don't make people come out to your yard and sit on your bed. don't make nobody sit down pan. Don't make nobody come in your yard and sit down on your bed with them dirty clothes. Them could have just done bed and put it on. If you not go in your bed with your clothes, why you make people come on in your yard and come sit down on your bed with for them clothes? Enough time when you wake up, I want to see some mark on the skin. I want to see some pumping on the face and something on the face. That people dirty clothes. Chuck off on the bed and want to go and lay down on the bed and it just catch you know. I want to wonder when you get that scrape you from, when you get that mark you from, where that bump you come from. When you get poison. You hear me say? When you get poison for real. That's it. Make up yourself. It's good for you have friends. Remember some people say them not have no friend. But I think that some we use the word friend too loosely. Because you wear claims people say you're a friend them and them not claims you. That reach me already. That reach me already. That's my soul come look for you. Here's your Father Craig. God of his mercy. I'm not telling a lie. We have to wise in them time, yeah. We have to wise. And some of the people when you love kissy, when you know if you run go kiss. Because remember, when you know what some people are doing with them mouth. And everybody feel love kiss. So now kissing tan. I need a sucking tan. My junior read Kurt Riley. Selector Andre from over Guyana. Brother from over the Wagwan. And me I tell you no. You don't have to listen to me, you know, because I can't foolish me attack. A big respect to original youth call. DJ Rim. Original champion squad. Lord of his mercy. Pay a good youth up on my life. I want to know. DJ Rim them. Don't know and Kirk Riley them and select Andre them. I be a good youth. Them wicked sometime, but them not really whole heap of wicked. Me I tell you no. And the woman them, me I tell you no, take care of yourself. All the man them, take care of yourself. Take care of your mouth. The man them for take care of them hood. And the girl them for take care of them front. Remember, you can't have a stinking hood and a stinking mouth. You have to pick a struggle. You have to pick a struggle. You have to pick a struggle. Some man have one bag of man and have one bag of different smell. When I have unprotected sex, I don't know smell just change up all about. I want to get so used to the scent. Remember them thing you have to talk. Before I come here, come talk about mix up and who this and who I take who. I have to talk the truth. When I have to take care of yourself. Or if you have a stinking mouth and a stinking front. Oh. Or if you have two of that one time. Oh. Thinking mouth and thinking front. Thinking hood. I don't like that, you know. I don't like that. Make up yourselves, Zoe Queen. I don't like that. I tell you no. You have to check and take care of yourself. You have to take care of yourself. What are you going to do? I remember anything where you can smell, other people can smell it too. From you can smell it, other people can smell it. I tell you no. Anything where you can smell, other people can smell it too. You have to take care of yourself. Big up the woman them with just take pride in herself. Want to take so much pride in herself. Jesus Christ, my love, you know. The least little thing. I tell you, you know. Enough of the people them will go so bam and have the cleanest look outside when you go near them and them say, "Warm Richie." Jesus Christ. Jesus. Warm Richie. Because remember again, you can't face it. And when you're talking to people's face, you better kick down the people them like Jackie Chan. You have to take care of your mouth. See your dentist 2 times a year. Every 6 months you're supposed to visit the dentist. Some people go every 3 months. Because you have to make sure you take care of your mouth. Because the first thing when a girl says she like you, the first thing she does, she want to look in your mouth. Because I'm not thinking foot alone I do it, you know. You have thinking arm, you have thinking mouth. You have thinking front, thinking hood. And somebody does thinking two alone. And if you know what I do, woman big up on the face yourself. When you face there, know say, yeah. You got the doctor, you make sure you check out yourself and you're alright. Because remember this, you know. Some man can tell immediately, say something right if he have sex with that woman. I tell you no. But don't worry, I'll soon be back.